Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the next episode of the new Rebuild Series vehicle. And today we get ourselves a 1994 Chevy van. We want to say Chevy van G20 or Chevy G20. This vehicle, been in the shop about almost 2 to 3 months, and I'm finally eager to say we're now fixing it, of course. So it's just mostly the time, the delay, the parts, and of course we got so much things to do in the shop, of course. So it's really of course there's one car to do and there's another one here, another one there, another one there, and to parts, the paint and all that stuff. So it's always been a big hassle in a business like this, but we're getting through it, and we're gonna do our best to just have fun, record videos, and also just show you guys what we're doing. So if you guys do like this video, drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this G20, of course, had been hit on the right side, in a front impact collision, of course. I didn't know the whole story about it, but I know my dad said this G-Van was in the middle of the highway. So basically, this car was literally just right there, and someone needed to get towed somewhere. So, just basically the tow truck driver or the tow just brought this truck back into the shop, of course. I don't know what day it was, but I don't remember what was the day they brought it, but it was like, oh, a Chevy man. So I love these antiques of 90s and 80s to 90s vehicles. They look pretty nice, and of course, it's pretty cool to see these cars, see how much we gone through the generations of uh big utility and luxury vehicles as well. So it's pretty cool as well. So I believe that this car was, if it was in the dealership in the 90s, I feel like probably the prices will be like probably the 8 to 10 grand over there. But now, if you get a really good restorated antique, kept really good, you probably need to see one for like 20 to 30 thousand dollars maybe, or $40,000. So that'd be pretty crazy to see those prices going up throughout these decades. But as well, let me stop talking and let's get right. Well, let me stop talking about the history about this. Let's talk about what's going on. So already this was yesterday. We took off all the parts, all that stuff. The battery runs good. We started up, and of course, the fan was hitting the radiator, so we had to do this really urgent and really fast, so we don't want to have any flying objects going around the hood, and there's all that stuff. But we got it in there. It's truck as well. Some cooling, not that much, but as well, we're just taking piece by piece of parts and chrome pieces, which was one around here, and the grill, all that stuff was pretty much crunched up and pretty much no use as well. But other things as well, bunch of stuff that we had to pull. We just did a little minor pull yesterday with this here to take all the tension off and see how much things have been crushed and have been not used, and it's not good anymore. Plus, because of course there's gonna be more parts to be ordered, more parts to be found as well. So that's what, for these vehicles, it's hard to find these parts, whether aftermarket or anywhere. It's just hard to find. But sometimes there's some compatible vehicles. They're not this type of G20. They'll be like maybe a utility truck. They will have whatever it takes. These parts are really compatible. So it's pretty cool to see that some parts will fit with other cars as well. So also, let's get right to the next picture. This is what the whole front of the picture, or the whole front of the vehicle looks like. It looks at this side, it looks really good. This side, it's not having a good day. So of course, we're trying to make this day, try to make this car back to look like a dealer car as well. So also other things as well. More pulling. We pulled from here. We pulled from the bottom side and even the top side as well. Relieve the tension, of course. Other things as well. It's gonna be a little bit dirty, of course. So we're gonna try good possible we can to clean everything. So better work right. And every time we're trying to put some stuff, we're trying to go a bolt or something inside, or if you try and go inside the engine bay, it's a lot of sharp things and a lot of metal, plastic, and all that stuff. So that's we kind of did have those as well. We did remove this bumper. We did remove this little layer off here up top, and this bumper, kind of like the old. Well, this bumper was pretty simple to take off as well, but of course, this extent there was some proper other things we had to be careful with as well. And plus, as well, Actually, no, it's not. It's you gotta be really careful of just pretty much dirt and rust getting your eyes. So, my uncle as well, he had some glasses as well, so you got nothing inside. But it was a pretty uh done deal. Removable. The bumper is basically you take two bolts on the front with the connected to frame wheels and two on the sides as well, one each side as well. And it's just really one tug pull, just pull out the whole front bumper, and it will come out pretty easily. And so all these parts will be replaced. The bumper probably it's good shape, but probably get replaced as well. We don't know. Third one, here it is. This is where all the grill, little pieces more, the little cover that goes around the headlamp, the headlights as well, been taken off as well. And the next photo, I'm gonna show you guys how much things we took off as well. We had some other things, other plans of like how much we could pull. So pretty much we did just take off the condenser and pull it off right there, and also as well as removing this bumper so it doesn't get in our way and anything else. So if you know, imagine we did use this thing, then we want to make this thing top notch shape and no scratches or anything. So all that stuff, and also this piece as well, just taken off. But also this is kind of hard to take off. You can take out the bolts from here up top, but the bottom you take out the room. You can remove the bumper. You need to remove the bumper off as well. So this is today's photo. This is basically what everything is. All this is pretty much gonna get cut off. All this stuff because we actually have the replacement part, and we're gonna do like kind of like the Dodge Charger, just cut, pull, and then measure and weld all the piece back in together from a different Chevy, same part but different Chevy color as well, and get everything aligned. Everything aligned. So, just some cutting, just some preparations as well. It's mostly a day of just preparing and just getting everything ready as well. And just make sure everything's alright. We took out the radiator, take out the condenser, take out this heater core as well. We're about to take this one off because we have the replacement, so hopefully that one works. So we don't need to find a good one as well. And then finally, this photo, just a little more in depth of pretty much what is this whole wheel well. Probably it's gonna get cut off as well. Put a new one. All this stuff. Of course, this heater core is gonna be replaced, but half of all this stuff on the right side we could actually it's pretty good, but also there's gonna be some things that be moved as well because that impact did move some equipment around and also may break some plastic pieces and more stuff as well. But that's pretty much about it about this vehicle. Of course, it's just really the prep session of what we're gonna do and what's gonna happen, and pretty much you'll see throughout this other weeks and throughout this summer as well, throughout this week and more weeks to come as well. More crazy cars, more crazy things to be in the shop, and also some pretty cool rebuilds. So, if you guys do like this video, again, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a good rest of your day.